Welcome, everyone. We're so excited to have you here. Today, we're diving into some fantastic tips to help you keep those healthy resolutions going strong all year long. Whether it's getting fit, eating better, or just feeling more energized, we've got you covered. You know, those resolutions we make with the best of intentions, but sometimes they fade away faster than my chances of winning a dance-off against Twitch. But don't worry, we're here to make sure that doesn't happen this time. But don't worry, we've got this. Together, we'll explore practical strategies and fun activities to keep you motivated. We're going to break it down into simple steps so you can achieve those goals and feel amazing. From setting realistic targets to celebrating small victories, every step counts. We're talking real, lasting changes here, folks. Changes that will not only improve your health, but also your overall happiness and well-being. So get ready to be inspired, motivated, and maybe even do a little dance of victory when you rock those resolutions. It's all about making the journey enjoyable and rewarding. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's do this together and make this year the best one yet. Okay, first things first, we gotta start with the right attitude, right? It's all about believing in yourself. You've got this inner cheerleader inside you. Let's crank up that music and get them cheering. Think of it like this. You wouldn't start a road trip with a half-empty tank, would you? Same goes for your resolutions. Fill up that tank with self-belief. Believe you can make those changes because you absolutely can. You are powerful, you are capable, and you are ready to rock this. Remember, a positive mind leads to positive results. Now let's talk goals. Setting goals is crucial for progress, but they need to be realistic and attainable. We don't want to be running a marathon when we haven't even laced up our sneakers yet, right? Start small and build up gradually. We're aiming for realistic, achievable goals. Write them down and make a plan to achieve them step by step. Instead of saying, I'm going to become a health guru overnight, how about I'm going to swap out my afternoon chips for some delicious fruit? Small changes, big impact. These small steps can lead to significant improvements over time. Write those goals down. Stick them on your fridge, make them your phone wallpaper, keep them visible. This constant reminder will keep you motivated. And remember, it's a journey, not a race. Take your time and enjoy the process. Celebrate those small victories along the way. Each achievement, no matter how small, is a step forward. Every step you take is a step in the right direction. Keep moving forward and stay positive. All right. Time to channel our inner organizers. Let's get ready to dive deep into planning. We've got our positive mindset, which is the first step to success. We've set those awesome goals, and now it's time to break them down. Now let's map it out in detail, step by step. Think of it like planning a vacation, where every detail matters. But instead of booking flights and hotels, we're scheduling workouts and meal prepping. It's all about creating a routine. Write down what you need to do each day to reach those goals. Be specific and realistic. Maybe it's a 30-minute walk in the morning or a quick jog. Maybe it's swapping that sugary soda for a refreshing water or choosing fresh fruit. Having a plan keeps you on track and makes those healthy choices so much easier. It provides structure and clarity. Plus, it feels pretty darn good to check those boxes off as you go. Celebrate those small victories. Let's be honest. Who doesn't love a good progress check? It's like peeking at a birthday present before the big day. Keep a journal, use an app, or even just jot down notes on your phone. Seeing how far you've come is incredibly motivating. Did you crush that workout this week? High five! Did you choose a salad instead of fries? You're a rock star. Celebrate those wins, big and small. It's all about acknowledging your hard work and keeping that motivation soaring high. All right. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about your cheering squad. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and support your journey. Tell your friends, family, or even your pet goldfish about your goals. Having that support system makes all the difference. Join an online community, find a workout buddy, or just share your journey with someone you trust. Remember, you're not alone in this. Plus, it's always more fun to celebrate those victories with people who cheer you on every step of the way. And there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic tips to help you make those healthy resolutions stick all year long. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Keep pushing forward and you'll see amazing results. Believe in yourself, set realistic goals, make a plan, track your progress, and find your support system. You are capable of incredible things, and I am so excited for you to crush those goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring tips.